Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. Here x power 9 plus x power 5 divided by x power 8 plus x power 6. This is equals to 7 over 3. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x and x not equals to 0. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Here we have x power 9 plus x power 5 divided by x power 8 plus x power 6, and this is equals to 7 over 3. Here we will apply cross multiply. Then this 3 is multiplied by x power 9 plus x power 5. 3 is multiplied by x power 9 plus x power 5. And this 7 is multiplied by x power 8 plus x power 6. 7 is multiplied by x power 8 plus x power 6. Now look carefully, left hand side and right hand side. Here x power 9 plus x power 5 and here x power 8 plus x power 6. If we divide both sides x power 7, left hand side is divided by x power 7 and right hand side is also divided by x power 7. Then this left hand side it will become 3 times, and we can write this expression as x power 9 over x power 7 plus x power 5 over x power 7 is this is equals to 7 times, and right hand side is x power 8 divided by x power 7 plus x power 6 divided by x power 7. In left hand side 3 times, and here x power 9 divided by x power 7, then you will get x power 2 plus x power 5 divided by x power 7, then you will get 1 over x square. So inside the bracket you will get x square plus 1 over x square. X square plus 1 over x square, and this is equals to, in right hand side x power 8 divided by x power 7, then you will get x plus x power 6 divided by x power 7, then you will get 1 over x. So here 7 times x plus 1 over x. 7 times x plus 1 over x. Here x square plus 1 over x square, and here x plus 1 over x. Now we will apply substitution, and if we substitute x plus 1 over x, this is equals to m. Then x plus 1 over x, this is equals to m, and if we take square both sides, in left hand side we will apply a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, and we know that the algebraic identity of a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 times a b. This x is behaves like a, this 1 over x is behaves like b. So this expression is a plus b whole square, and we can write a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. So this left hand side is x square plus 1 over x whole square plus 2 times x times 1 over x, and this is equals to m square. Now look carefully in left hand side. here x square plus, and here we will apply base and exponent rule. We know that a over b bracket power m, this is equals to a power m divided by b power m. Here this one is behaves like a, this x is behaves like b, and this 2 is behaves like m. So this expression is a over b whole power m. So we can write a over b whole power m is a power m divided by b power m. So this expression is same as 1 power 2 over x power 2 plus this x and this x is cancel out, then 2 times 1 is 2, and this is equals to m square. In left hand side, x square plus 1 square is 1. So x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 is equals to m square. X square plus 1 over x square plus 2, and this is equals to m square. Then value of x square plus 1 over x square is equals to m square minus 2. Now look carefully this equation. 3 times x square plus 1 over x square is equals to 7 times x plus 1 over x. 3 times x square plus 1 over x square, and this is equals to 7 times x plus 1 over x. Now 3 times value of x square plus 1 over x square is m square minus 2. So this expression is replaced by m square minus 2. Here m square minus 2, and this is equals to 7 times. We know that our substitution is x plus 1 over x is m. So replace this expression by m. In left hand side 3 times m square minus 2. So multiply this 3 by m square minus 2, then you will get 3 times m square minus 3 times 2 is 6, and this is equals to 7 times m. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then 3m square minus 7 times m minus 6, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side we have 3 times m square minus 7m minus 6, this is equals to 0. 3 times m square minus 7 times m minus 6, and this is equals to 0. This quadratic equation is factorizable. Here we will apply middle term split. 3 times m square minus 7 times m is minus 9 times m plus 2 times m minus 6, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully first two terms. 3 times m is common factor in first two terms. If we take common 3 times m, then you will get here m minus 3. And look carefully these two terms. Here 2 is common factor. If we take common 2, then you will get m minus 3, and this is equals to 0. M minus 3 is common factor. If we take common m minus 3, then you will get here 3 times m plus 2, and this is equals to 0. We know that if a times b is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. This term is behaves like a, and this term is behaves like b. So this is a times b is equals to 0. So we can write a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. So this expression is m minus 3, this is equals to 0, or 3 times m plus 2, this is equals to 0. Here value of m is equals to 3, and here value of m is equals to minus 2 over 3. Let's say this is case first and this is case second. First we will solve case first, and case first is m is equals to 3, and we know that m is equals to x plus 1 over x. This is equals to 3. Now multiplied both side x. In left hand side, this x is multiplied by x plus 1 over x. Then this is x times x is x square plus x times 1 over x is 1. This is equals to 3 times x. If we take all the expressions in same side, then x square minus 3 times x plus 1, and this is equals to 0. Here coefficient of x square is 1, so value of a is equals to 1. Coefficient of x is minus 3, value of b is equals to minus 3, and constant term is 1, so c is equals to 1. And quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac over 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus value of b. Value of b is minus 3 plus minus square root of, here b square and value of b is minus 3. This b is replaced by minus 3. Then inside the bracket minus 3 square minus 4 times value of a is 1 and value of c is 1, and divide by 2 times value of a is 1. Then x is equals to minus is multiplied by this minus 3, then you will get plus 3 plus minus square root of minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 times 1 is 4 and divided by 2 times 1 is 2. In left hand side, x is equals to 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 4 is 5 over 2. In this case, we have two possible values of x. First value of x, let's say this is x1. This is equals to 3 plus square root of 5 over 2. And second solution x2, this is equals to 3 minus square root of 5 over 2. Now solve case second. And case second is, case second, value of m is equals to minus 2 over 3. M is equals to minus 2 over 3. And we know that value of m is x plus 1 over x. And this is equals to minus 2 over 3. In left hand side, denominator part is x and right hand side denominator part is 3. So multiplied both sides 3 times x. And right hand side is also multiplied by 3 times x. Now this 3 times x is multiplied by x plus 1 over x. Then in left hand side 3 times x is 3x square plus, and 3 times x is multiplied by 1 over x, then you will get 3, and this is equals to this 3 and this 3 is cancel out, minus 2 times x is minus 2x. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then 3x square plus 2 times x plus 3, and this is equals to 0. Here coefficient of x square is 3. So value of a is equals to 3 and coefficient of x is 2. Value of b is equals to 2 and constant term is 3. Value of c is equals to 3. And this quadratic equation is not factorizable. So here we will apply quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. Then in left hand side, x is equals to minus value of b is 2 plus minus square root of b is replaced by 2 square minus 4 times value of a is 3 and value of c is also 3 and divided by 2 times value of a is 3. Left hand side, x is equals to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square is 4 minus 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. Divide by 2 times 3 is 6. Then x is equals to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 36 is minus 32 over 6. Then x is equals to minus 2 plus minus square root of minus 32 is same as 32 times minus 1 over 6. In left hand side, x is equals to and right hand side we have minus 2 plus minus square root of 32 times minus 1 over 6. X is equals to minus 2 plus minus. Look carefully this expression. Here we will apply this rule, square root of a times b. This is equals to square root of a times square root of b. According to this rule, we can write this expression as square root of 32 times square root of minus 1 over 6. Then x is equals to minus 2 plus minus square root of 32. We know that square root of 32 is same as square root of 16 times 2. And this expression is same as square root of 16 times square root of 2. And value of square root of 16 is 4 times square root of 2. Value of square root of 32, this is equals to 4 times square root of 2. So replace this square root of 32 by 4 times square root of 2. And square root of minus 1 is iota, divided by 6. X is equals to, look carefully in numerator, 2 is common factor. And minus 2 divided by 2, then you will get minus 1 plus minus 4 times square root of 2 iota is divided by 2, then you will get 2 times square root of 2 times iota over. We can write this 6 as a product of 2 times 3. Then this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out. Then value of x is equals to minus 1 plus minus 2 times square root of 2 iota over 3. Third solution, x3, this is equals to minus 1 plus 2 times square root of 2 iota over 3. And fourth solution, x4, this is equals to minus 1 minus 2 times square root of 2 iota over 3. In this question we have 4 solutions. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.